This is an awesome feeling when you are so close. The emptiness just flies away. You console all. If we could stop the time right now, we feel the night is upon us. We fall in you. We feel the peace of life to come. We will find you. Streets would remember our destiny. Paris at night, all life turns to dreams. If we could pause for years, if we could pause, our souls would not die out at all. In every place we walk around, we feel your soul, and we just breathe the atmosphere of the time gone. If we could break the clock right now, we feel the peace of life to come. We will find you. We praise and adore every stone of your walls. We dive in your heart with no fear of the right. And we know we couldn't die, and we